The path of knowledge. Arjun said, how shall I fight the revered ones like Bhishma and Drona? How will I be able to enjoy the pleasures of life after slaying my noble elders?
कथं भीष्ममहं सङ्ख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदनम् इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हवरिसूदनम्. In this shlok, Arjuna is telling Krishna that how can I fight the revered ones like Bhishma and Drona? They're like his teacher and he's like grandfather. Arjun loves Bhishma and Bhishma loves Arjun.
Yes.
And Arjun is Drona's favorite. Then say, how can I kill them?
Krishna smiled and said, O Arjun, you grieve over the ones who should not be grieved for. Wise men do not feel sorrow over the dead or the living. I don't understand what you say.
अशोच्यानन्वशोच्चत्न प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडिता.
Weapons cannot cut it, nor can fire burn it. Water cannot drench it, nor can wind make it dry. Just as a man.
नैनं चिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः. He's saying like weapons cannot cut it, nothing can destroy it, nothing can kill it. He's saying that it will forever be alive. Even if the body is dead, the soul is not dead.
Yes. Arjun asked, O Krishna, tell me the truth about action and inaction. Krishna replied,
किम कर्मेति कवयोप्यत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञत्वा मोक्षसे शुभात्. He's asking what is inaction and what is action.
Krishna replied, mysterious are the ways of action, O Arjun.
कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः.
He who sees inaction in action and action in inaction is wise among men.
कर्मण्यकर्मयः पश्येद कर्मणि च कर्मयः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्न कर्म कृत्.
Suddenly Arjun said, my mind is very restless, O Krishna. I find it as difficult to control as the wind. Krishna.
चञ्चलं हि मनः कृष्ण प्रमाथि बलवदृढं तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरीव सुदुष्करम्. He's telling Arjun is telling Krishna that he's saying something complicated. Arjun is not able to understand what he's telling. So he's telling that my mind is very restless. I find it as difficult to control as the wind. Maybe it is meditation. He's talking about meditation. He thinks that like what he's saying is very difficult to understand and do also.
Krishna smiled and said, I agree with you, O son of Kunti, that it is difficult to control the unsteady mind, but it is possible with practice. Arjun.
श्री भगवानुवाच असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येण च गृह्यते. Krishna is telling Arjun now that I agree with you that it is as difficult, because he also knows that it would be difficult for him to understand. He agrees that it would be difficult as to control the wind, but it would be possible to control it properly with practice of meditation. With practice of meditation, he will be able to perform his duties properly without being attached to the fruit. Attached means he will all the time think of the fruit what he is going to get of the action.
Arjun asked, if a man has faith and practices meditation but still is not able to subdue his mind, the celestial sage Narad, the sages Asit and Devala, and the great sage Vyas speak thus of you. I believe as true what you proclaim to me. Neither
आहुस्त्वां ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षि नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे. Arjuna is telling Krishna that like now he's telling about his what is he, if he takes his universal form, what will he see? All those he's telling in the 10th chapter. The sages Asito Devalo, Asit and Deval, and a great sage Vyas. Asito Devalo Vyasah Swayam Chaiva Bravishimi, speak of you. Like they're also talking, these high sages, very learned sages, they also talk of you. And you have told this to me.
neither gods nor demons are aware of your manifestation. O
सर्वमेतदृतं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्देवानदानवाः.
Krishna smiled at Arjun's innocent pleadings. There is no limit to my magnitude, O humble friend, said Krishna. I am seated in the heart of all beings. I am Vishnu among the
अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशय स्थितः अहमादिश्च मध्यं च भूतानामन्त एव च.
I am Vishnu among the 12 sons of Aditi. I am the bright sun among the luminaries. I am the glory of the Maruts. I am the moon among the stars. I am the
आदित्यानामहं विष्णुर्ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान् मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि नक्षत्राणामहं शशि.
I am the Samved among the Vedas. I am Indra among the gods. I am the mind among the senses. I am the life force in the living beings. I am the
वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि देवानामस्मि वासवः इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि भूतानामस्मि चेतना.
I am the most fierce among the 11 Rudras. I am Kuber among the gods of riches. I am Meru among the mountains.
रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि वित्तेसो यक्षरक्षसां वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि मेरुः शिखरिणामहम्.
O Arjun, I am Brihaspati among the priests. I am the ocean among the water bodies. I am
पुरोधसां च मुख्यमहं विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः सरसामस्मि सागरः.
I am the ocean among the water bodies. This is done. I am Bhrigu among the great seers.
महर्षीणां भृगुरहं गिरामस्मेकमक्षरं यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः.
I am the Ashwath among the trees. I am Narad among the celestial sages. I am
अश्वत्थः सर्वऋक्षाणां देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः.
I am Airavat among the mighty elephants. I am the king among men. I am
उच्चैश्रवसवश्वानां विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम्.
I am the thunderbolt among weapons. I am Kamadhenu among cows. I am Vasuki among the serpents.
आयुधानामहं वज्रं धेनुनामस्मि कामधुक् प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः सर्पणामस्मि वासुकिः.
I am Varuna among the water gods.
अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानां वरुणो यादसामहं पितॄणामर्यमा चास्मि यमः संयमतामहम्.
I am the wind among purifiers. I am Ram among the builders of weapons. I am the alligator among fishes. I am the Ganges among rivers.
पवनः पवतामस्मि रामः शस्त्रभृतामहं झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि श्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी.
As Krishna spoke ceaselessly, Krishna said, Arjun, there are hundreds and thousands of my divine forms of diverse colors and different shapes.
श्रीभगवानुवाच पश्य मे पार्थरूपाणि शतशोथसहस्रशः नानाविधानि दिव्यानि नानावर्णकृतीनि च.
Arjun saw the magnificent deity full of all wonders, having faces on all sides, possessing many eyes and arms, wearing divine garlands and clothes, decked with many divine ornaments, emitting a pleasant fragrance of sandal paste, and wielding many celestial weapons.
अनेकवक्त्रनयनमनेकाद्भुतदर्शनम् अनेकदिव्याभरणं दिव्यानेकोद्यतायुधं दिव्यमाल्याम्बरधरं दिव्यगन्धानुलेपनं सर्वश्चर्यमयं देवमनन्तं विश्वतोमुखम्.